Water can be without the company of humans, but we as humans can only be without water for a few days.
This quotation shows the whole truth about the importance and meaning of water as the main source of nourishment. Its value cannot be overestimated.
हमने बनाया वहाँ पर, वो अपने उससे हम लोग मर रहे पानी के लिए, फेम फेम पानी के लिए तरस रहे वहाँ पर जिंदाया किसने उनको? नहीं तो मरने को उनकी गाड़ी के नीचे मरने को तैयार है, पानी चाहिए गाड़ी के नीचे मरने को तैयार है। हमारा आश्वासन दिया कि स्टार्ट करेंगे, जान दे देंगे, जान देने को तैयार है, पानी के लिए हम जान देने को तैयार है। इसको बता दिया।
It is essential for all life on this planet. The human body consists of about 75% water and the brain about 85%. Each cell in the body depends upon water in order to function. Numerous disorders are caused by insufficient and unhealthy water. In order to maintain the various bodily functions, we need to drink up to 2 to 3 liters of water each day. We need our daily supply of water since we cannot maintain reserve of it in our body as we can with food. Water is our lifeline that bathes us and feeds us. In ancient cultures, water represented the very essence of life. The Romans were the first to pipe water into their growing cities, especially with their aqueducts. They also realized that sewage water could cause damage to their people and needed to be removed from the large areas of people. Our earth seems to be unique among the other known celestial bodies. It has water, which covers 3/4 of its surface and constitutes 60 to 70% of living world. Water regenerates and is redistributed through evaporation, making it seem endlessly renewable. Water is one of nature's most important gifts to mankind. Essential to life, a person's survival depends on drinking water.
Water is probably the only natural resource to touch all aspects of human civilization, from agricultural and industrial development to the cultural and religious values embedded in society. Access to adequate water is one of the leading factors in development of area and people. Due to its uneven distribution in time and space, appropriate measures at regional and local level are necessary for ensuring adequacy over a long time. Sustainable water resources development and management deals with the practices that help access to assured availability and good quality of water.
मी 4 वर्षापूर्वी नाल्याचा सर्वे केला होता. त्यानंतर मी खूप मदत केली आणि लोकांना, आणि आज ते काम चालू झाले आहे. पैकी 13 कट्टेचं काम आज चालू आहे. विहिरीला पाणी येणार आहे. आपल्या जनावरांचा, ढोराचा सगळ्याचा फायदा होणार आहे आणि शेतीचं आर्थिक उत्पन्न वाढणार आहे.
Therefore, it was decided to initiate community-based sustainable water resource development and management in Wahegaon village to replenish groundwater and intensify agriculture for enhanced income in the area.
Predominance of rain-fed conditions, lack of assured or protective irrigation, declining soil fertility, and low levels of technological adoption is a big constraint for agriculture in this area. Farmers under such conditions can barely meet their subsistence needs, leave aside producing surplus for the market.
Given the nature of monsoon rainfall, the key to meeting the growing demand for water for domestic and agricultural use is to more effectively harness rainfall, the ultimate source of all freshwater resources.
There are cluster of villages, namely Vahegaon, Mudhalwadi, Rahatgaon and Isarwadi. These villages are situated on an uneven topography where elevation difference from the northern side to southern side is almost 10 to 15 meter, which has given rise to major nala coming from northern eastern side and following the course along the eastern side of village Vahegaon and Mudhalwadi, and then flows southern side to meet river Godavari in the downstream side of the dam.
These nalas have direct bearing on the occurrence of groundwater in the area as well as have an impact on the groundwater potential of the main aquifer system. The groundwater occurs under two main aquifers in the area. The first aquifer, which is mainly tapped through the open wells, occurs between a depth ranging 10 to 20 meters. The second is tapped through the shallow bore well ranging from 20 to 40 meters below ground level. The aquifer system is mainly replenished by the seasonal stream flowing in this area.
आजचं वायगाव म्हणजे पिण्यासाठी पाणी कुठून आणावी ही चिंता. त्या चिंतेत असतानाच आधी संस्थेचे निज्जर सर, देवकर सर, पळसोदकर सर या टीमने गावामध्ये किती प्रकारचे ओढे नाले याचा सर्वे करून फेप्सीच्या सहकार्याने 13 चेक डॅम्स बनवले आणि 100 विहिरीचे पुनर्भरण केले. ज्या वेळेस चेक डॅम तयार झाले आणि पुनर्भरण म्हणजे 100 विहिरीचे पुनर्भरण कंप्लीट झाले तर वाहेगावची परिस्थिती एकदम बदलून गेली. कारण वाहेगावमध्ये पाण्याची पातळी ही वाढल्या गेली. जवळपासच्या विहिरीमध्ये पाण्याची पातळी 75% वाढली. त्यामुळे शेतकऱ्यामध्ये एक प्रकारचा आनंद निर्माण झाला आणि त्या आनंदाच्या भरामध्ये प्रत्येक शेतकरी हा खुश होता. यामध्ये पहिल्यांदा आम्ही फक्त एक पीक पद्धत घेत होतो, पण पाणी वाढल्यामुळे आम्ही डबल पीक पद्धत घ्यायला लागलो.
Since the Indian society is predominantly agrarian in nature, any attempt towards alleviation of poverty and creation of employment necessarily needs to address the problems of effective and optimal management of land and water in an integrated manner. India has sufficient natural resources to support respectable life standard to its citizens, provided their utilization pattern is optimized and management streamlined.
Under these circumstances, the need of the hour is watershed approach to sustainable development of water resource in an integrated and viable manner. Appropriate watershed management policies can contain these trends and help secure water supplies. The whole idea of PepsiCo and ADI, that is Alternative Development Initiative collaboration in Vahegaon, has been inspired with this perspective. The main objective is to contribute to poverty alleviation with the specific reference to water resource management. The objective is to initiate activities for sustainable water resource development and management in order to replenish groundwater and its quality in and around Vahegaon.
This would enable poor people enhance their livelihoods through better use of land and water resources in a comprehensive watershed framework, develop these into concrete activities through pilot intervention, and stimulate and build local organizational structures to promote them amongst the rural poor. 13 check dams were constructed on 3 rivulets in village Vahegaon, along with 100 well recharge structures on privately owned wells. These 13 check dams would retain excess water flow during monsoon rains from a defined catchment area. The major environmental benefit is the replenishment of groundwater reserves and wells and its quality. The water entrapped by the dam surface and subsurface is primarily intended for use in irrigation during the monsoon and later during the dry season. It can also be used for livestock and domestic needs.
Low-cost drip irrigation system on pilot basis were promoted for optimum utilization of water as a resource. Better agronomic practices through demonstration and in-house and on-job skill training along with motivation and awareness training were initiated. The project is also establishing water resource monitoring and budgeting system to measure the impact of implementation.
वाहेगांव की कहानी हिंदुस्तान के हज़ारों गांवों की कहानी जैसी है, जो कि आज भी पानी की कमी से बहुत पीड़ित है, जहां आधे खेत या तो बंजर हैं और या पूरा उत्पादन नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि ये जो चेक डैम्स बने हैं वो वाहेगांव के कृषि और संपूर्ण विकास में बहुत बड़ा परिवर्तन लाएंगे।
In our initiative, sustainable livelihoods are being created through regeneration of aquifers and intensification and extension of agriculture through enhanced water availability through open wells in the area.
Panchayat, the local self-government institutions, plays a vital role in village development and for sustainability of any initiative to be undertaken within their panchayat.
हे माझं गाव इतकं ओसाड झालं की पिण्याला पाणीसुद्धा नाही, शेतीला पाणी नाही, असे अवस्थेमध्ये ईडीआय संस्थेनं सर्वे केला. त्यामध्ये 13 चेक डॅम बनवण्याचं ठरलं आणि ते आज काम पूर्ण झालं. 234 विहिरी होत्या, त्यातल्या 100 विहिरीचं पुनर्भरणाचं काम पूर्ण झालं. म्हणून आज पाण्याच्या पातळीमध्ये खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात वाढ झाली. म्हणजे 13 सिमेंट बंधारे आणि 2 माती नाला आणि 100 विहिरीचं पुनर्भरणाचं काम पेप्सी को कंपनी आणि ईडीआय च्या संयुक्त विद्यमानानं काम पूर्ण झालेलं आहे.
Active participation of panchayats in any developmental project is important.
Keeping this in mind, initial dialogue were carried out with the panchayat, women and user groups on project implementation, process to be followed, possible impact and maintenance of the acquired assets. Gram Panchayat and the community were actively involved during the implementation process.
ADI obtained Gram Panchayat's resolutions for maintenance of the created water harvesting structures, check dams, and used the recharged water optimally for agriculture purpose while involving the community.
PepsiCo, along with ADI, initiated measure to conserve water in the interest of environment and society in India. He carried out resource planning exercise to identify deprived areas across the country. Vahegaon and neighboring villages are one of the most deprived area where agriculture is the mainstay economy and it's mostly rain-fed. The lands are unproductive. The drinking water situation is critical during summers and is critical during summers where women has to travel long distance to fetch water. Given the nature of the rainfall pattern and topography, we assessed the potential of water harvesting structure along with addressing other need-based issues. These have high social, economic and environmental benefits. Here with community's participation, we are developing 13 check dams along with 100 water harvesting structures. In the entire process-driven initiative, we are promoting low-cost drip irrigation system along with better agronomic practices while building the capacities of the community through in-house and on-job training. The project is now owned by the community and they have taken the responsibility of maintenance of the acquired asset. We have also established water resource monitoring and budgeting system to establish the impact.
13 user groups were formed on the command of 13 check dams. These user groups took the responsibility of maintaining these check dams.
They were trained on the usefulness of these check dams and cropping practices to be promoted in future. To sustain and to replicate these developmental initiatives, local resource persons are vital. they have to be trained as facilitators of the reversal process with sound skills in eco development. On job training was one of the important components in the process. Now the technology is demystified and local educated youth trained to become technicians who act as link between the formal skills of science and local community.
With the view to provide credit for rural women based on their local savings and to bring them into mainstream, the project initiated the Women Savings and Credit Groups. The broader context which favored emergence of such an initiative include realization of the role of savings and credit institutions in livelihood promotions, efforts to include an element of savings and credit to build sustainability in the development project, dearth of exclusive attempts focusing on savings and credit need of women, and formation of cohesive force within the community to tackle outside forces.
Establishing monitoring systems as an integral part of the project would provide meaningful learning and understandings of the dynamics of the development process. The project designed monitoring mechanisms to establish impact for physical and socio-economic aspects. The monitoring strategy focuses upon the approach and process to be used to monitor the performance indicators, given the particular geographic and activity characteristics of the program. Groundwater source is used as main source of water in the area. This is tapped through the open wells and used for agricultural and drinking water purpose. In order to establish the impact, water level indicators are provided to the local youth and they are trained to measure in selected bore wells in the command areas of the check dams on a regular basis. Rain gauge meter was installed to measure the actual rainfall in the area. The baseline household survey and post-project surveys are focusing on socio-economic issues of the village. Change in irrigation, agricultural pattern, animal husbandry, education, health, and in rural economy will show the realistic impact.
शाळा गावाच्या बाहेर आल्यापासून जे आहे आम्हाला पिण्याच्या पाण्याची समस्या होती आणि ती समस्या सोडवण्यासाठी पेप्सिको कंपनी आणि EDI या संस्थेमार्फत आम्ही त्यांना विनंती केल्याबरोबर त्यांनी जो पुढाकार घेऊन आमच्या शाळेसाठी आणि आमच्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी पाण्याची व्यवस्था जी उपलब्ध करून दिली त्याबद्दल त्यांचे आम्ही सर्वांच्या वतीने आभार मानतो.
The creation of 13 check dams along with 100 well recharge structures would be replenishing more than 700,000 cubic meter of groundwater and would directly and indirectly provide benefit to more than 12,000 persons. This would provide boost to the local economy in terms of intensification in agriculture and allied activities and overall life standard of people living in the area.
Well, the implemented interventions have already gained faith and confidence within the community. Affirmative future actions to support capacity building, skill development, training on larger developmental issues, and specific issue-based support would strengthen present interventions and upgrade incomes and increase real access to natural and productive resources.